Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my M27. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing as well. So let me get started. So first you need a full sheet of paper. I just have a quarter size paper. But you can use a quarter size paper or a full sheet of A4 paper if you like. And then you want to fold it in half, like so. And you see where this corner is right here. You want to bring this corner and fold it up. So this edge to the top edge right here. Okay. Then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So fold this corner up. So you want to bring this side edge here to that top edge right there. Okay. Okay. And then you want to unfold and fold this inside. Okay, so open this up and just push this in, following the crease line. Okay, same thing on this side. So open this up and follow the crease line and fold this whole side up. Alright, and now you want to fold this whole thing in half. So bring this short edge right up onto the other edge. Okay, and make a good crease here because you're going to sink this piece inside. Okay, so unfold and you see right here, so open up that whole area, which is the whole piece right here, and you see that smaller rectangle in the middle. So you're going to fold up all the sides, all the crease line that we just folded. And you see the crease line inside, so you're going to fold them up as well. So fold up the triangle there, fold up the other side as well, and the center line. Okay, so you should have one of these. And now you're going to fold this piece in half. So bring that shorter edge back onto that longer edge. Okay, and now you're going to make a crease line right in the middle, right here, right across. Okay, so fold this whole thing in half again. Okay, press it down a little bit, make a good crease. Okay, then you want to unfold that crease like so, and you see this bottom piece right here. So you want to fold this all the way down to the end. Like so. And same thing at the front. So there's going to be the magazine and the pistol grip, and the front is going to be the bipod. Okay, so take that the front bottom piece right here as well, and fold it right up to the end right here. Okay, And now you see that center crease line. You can see it right there. Okay, so you're going to sink the back side in, and same thing here, this front side in as well. Okay, so you want to open up, you want to bring this down a little bit so you can see that triangle right there. And then you're going to fold up the side crease line. One's there, and the other one right there. See? And fold it right up to that triangle, then fold right across. Where the crease line is, then you're going to fold that right down. Okay? So same thing on this side as well. So you want to bring this down just a bit, or all the way down. So you can see that triangle right here inside, and fold up the crease lines on the side, like so, right up to that triangle. Same thing here. Okay, then where that crease line ends, right in the middle of the triangle, you're going to fold right across from there, like so. Then you're going to fold this whole thing down. Okay. And now I'm gonna flip it over. So this is the magazine and the pistol grip right here on the back side. So now if you look right here, this corner right there. So there's a longer side, there's that shorter side right there. You want to bring that corner right there right up to the bottom edge right here. Okay, so you want to fold this whole thing down right up, so that triangle right there, that corner, yeah, touches the bottom of the gun. Okay, right there. And bring this whole thing inside. Fold that whole thing down. Okay. And now you see that tip, this triangle piece right here, you want to fold that down for the pistol grip. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to open this pocket right there and bring that triangle up. Okay. And now for the stock, you want to fold this triangle inside, but just leave a little bit of space right there. So don't go all the way up to that triangle. Just leave a bit of space and fold in that triangle. Let me pre-crease it. So right around there, okay? And unfold, then open this pocket and fold in that triangle. Okay, then you want to bring this edge right around where the pistol grip is, okay? Then fold it back. Okay, then zigzag fold right where that pistol grip is again. So right around there. Okay, yeah. Fold it forward, then fold it back again. Okay, then you're gonna fold the edges. So fold the bottom edge Okay, then also fold the top edge down as well. Okay, then for the top, gonna open this up. So you're gonna open up the front pocket right here. So it squares that out. And for the bottom one, I'm gonna open up the back pocket right there, and then go all the way up to this corner. Okay, so that's the stock. And now for the front. Okay, so you see where this corner is right there. So you're gonna put this whole front triangle inside. So first you want to pre-crease it like so, then unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket and fold this right inside. Okay, and now for the stock. Okay, same thing here. So if you open this up, you see that longer side and the shorter side, and you see that triangle right there. So if you look on this side, you see that triangle. You want to fold that triangle right up to the bottom edge right here. So fold this whole thing forward and let that triangle be right on that edge, okay? This edge, or the back edge as well. Okay, then fold this whole thing down. Okay, now you're going to fold this back right here and fold this triangle piece in half, okay? And then you can fold this back square right here in half as well. Okay, so that's the bipod. Can fix it up a bit. And now you want to turn the piece over and leave a bit of space right there and bring this whole piece back. Okay, so this is the front side, and right around where the magazine is, bring that whole thing back to the front again. Let's turn to the back side. Okay, then fold this whole front portion in half. So it should look like this. Okay, and you see that corner right there on the bottom? Right there, you're gonna hide it in the back. So you're gonna fold this whole corner back. Okay, it's gonna be a weird fold. It's okay, like that. Okay, so you're gonna just fold that right up. Okay, so that triangle goes away. And for the bipod, you're gonna fold right around the middle. You're gonna fold this edge down so the bipod is in the bottom side now. Okay, so if you look here, okay, can be just a bit messy, but it's okay. And for this piece was a bit long, but so I just turned it into a suppressor. But you can maybe fold it just a little bit more if you don't want to suppress the suppressor. Okay. So now you want to fold this whole thing back right up to the bipod, then zigzag fold it back forward like so, and fold this whole thing in half right up to the bipod. Okay, so first you want to fold this whole barrel right where the bipod is. Then you can fold this whole thing in half. Okay. Okay, and now for the magazine. Okay, you want to curve out the magazine. So you want to open up this pocket right there and fold it all the way down. So it looks like this. Then pinch just a little bit on top. Okay, then kind of fold this forward. Then fold the whole magazine back down, okay? So here's my M27. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.